Hi, everybody. We thought it'd be fun to see why students react to sound the way they do.
Each student is going to listen to 6 different sounds and rank them from 1 to 5, with 1 being the least pleasant and 5 being the most pleasant. Let's see how they react.
It has a nice sound to it, but I like a beat.
I'd say a 5. It's nice and sounds good.
It's a 5. It's very calming and it flowed very well.
5. It sounded nice. Relaxing.
That's pretty good. It's just really like peaceful and calming. It's a pretty sound. Sounds pretty.
I give it a 4 because I appreciate, what's it called, the minor chords down on the other side of the piano. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, maybe like a 3. I kind of like weird noises like that, but it's definitely like it's a very odd chord.
So like a 1. It's very dissonant. It's like minor chords and just very like abrupt.
1. I don't know, it sounds like a scary movie.
I don't really like that one. Sounds really scary, like in a movie or something. 2.
I'm glad I'm so young enough to hear this sound. I give it a 5 because I can hear it and I love it.
I'd probably say like 1 because, you know, it's a really bad noise, but it's so like.
It was super unpleasant. It's a 1.
1. It's very high. It has a very high pitch.
It sounds like a bug. Or like a mosquito or something.
That's okay.
Show me where they are.
Doorbell, it's a 1. It's pretty common, like it's not that interesting.
It's 4, you know, plain. You know, it's 2 note.
A 3? I mean, it sounds like a doorbell.
It's 4. It was not too high, not too low, and it sounded nice.
I like it when that happens.
Pleasant.
This reminds me of explosions, which are also unpleasant.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, I'd probably say 0 on the last one. It's not pleasant. Explosions aren't pleasant. I don't know, it's just loud and.
It's a 3. It's like a 3, like a thunderstorm. I mean, it wasn't unpleasant, but it wasn't pleasant. So, I mean, that's why I gave it a 3.
1. That was loud.
I don't like that. Not happy.
2. Loud.
Calculators are here.
I would give this one a 5.
Stickies are very common.
Probably a 4 too. But
right.
it's, you know, it's a nice environment, like ambient sound.
Very relaxing. Ocean.
5. It sounds relaxing.
I like that one. Makes you think of like summertime or relaxing outside. Okay.
4. Because it's calm.